Charlie, runway 15, clear for takeoff, left turn out.
Left turn out, clear for takeoff, 3 Charlie.
Traffic in sight, 195 Tango Hotel.
I'm taking a tail. Keep it tight behind that jet. Unit number 2, runway 15, clear to land.
Keeping it tight, runway 15, clear to land, 195 Tango Hotel.
1515, here we go.
2 Tango Extra, I'm trying to get your release, sir. Just hold short to get you out when I can.
Hold short, 2 Tango Extra.
Engine gauges all look good.
I need you turning. I got another jet about 11 miles out. I'm not talking to him.
Airspeed's alive.
Rider, we're keeping it tight, 195 Tango Hotel.
When you get midfield, make a right 360.
Right 360 up infield, 26 golf.
Hello, hello, welcome to another video. Sarah and I are on our way to Treasure Coast International Airport. We're going to talk like pirates for the rest of the trip, Sarah.
No, we're not.
And we're going to Fort Pierce for lunch. Just under an hour flight, cruising at 2,500 feet. And it's just an absolutely beautiful day, calm winds. And we were going to do this last week, but the winds were really, blustery and gusting. Arrgh, Sarah, is there anything else you want to say here?
Ready for Treasure Coast.
Ready.
November 38 Charlie, make right traffic, runway 108, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles, helicopter orbiting 700 feet, make right traffic, runway 108, 38 Charlie.
Right traffic, 10 right, looking for the helicopter, 3 Charlie.
November 9 November Delta, number 2, fall Cherokee on the left base, runway 10 left, clear to land.
Number 2, following Archer on left base, 10 left, clear to land, Hawaii, 229 November Delta.
And Air 1 traffic, mile north of you, joining the right downwind Cherokee 1100. November 38 Charlie, traffic, your Fong is a stationary at your 10 o'clock and 4 miles, joining the... And November 38 Charlie, that traffic's 11 to 12 o'clock now and 2 miles, 1,500 caravan.
Traffic in sight, 3 Charlie.
3 Charlie, following that traffic, number 2, runway 10 right, clear to land.
Following the caravan, number 2, clear to land, 10 right. 3 Charlie.
At 10 nautical miles from the west, requesting full stop.
Cat 327, Fort Pierce Tower, make straight in for runway 10 right.
Straight in for runway 10 right, wake up 3.
A little bit of a crosswind. Runway made, power off.
Yes, oops. Well.
I got 316, ready to go?
Full in, good way, 10 left. We're ready at 10 left, wake up 316.
Cap 360, make left traffic, runway 10 left, clear for takeoff.
Traffic clear for takeoff, runway 10 left, wake up 316.
3 Charlie, contact ground, have a good one.
Over to ground 3 Charlie.
97 Mike, you able to start a right turn to the south now?
Right turn for the southbound, 97 Mike.
97 Mike, turn southbound.
Fort Pierce ground Cherokee 3388 Charlie off 10 right at Alpha 4, taxi the restaurant.
38 Charlie, taxi via Alpha, hold short, runway 14.
Taxi Alpha, hold short 143 Charlie.
Right, 38 Charlie, proceed on the runway 14, make a right turn, exit at Charlie 8 Charlie, back to the ramp.
All right, proceed 14, exit Charlie, is that Charlie 4 for 3 Charlie?
Right, 38 Charlie, it's going to be Charlie 8, the next taxiway on your right side.
Okay, we'll make a right on Charlie 8, 3 Charlie.